Hi, everyone, and welcome to another live trading series. It is noon on Friday, March 17th. It's a big, big expiration day? It's like the quad witching. If you look in the future, like 2 years, you'll see 4 expiration dates: January, March, June, and December. So this is one of the March ones. There's always a lot of volatility, a lot of contracts sold. There's a lot of movement. I'm going to be showing you a few trades. Before I get started, if you're interested in chatting with 91 or 90 other options traders, consider joining the Discord server. You join via Patreon. It's $5 a month. If you sign up with Patreon, it automatically connects to the Discord server. I think there are 91 members. Let me see. So 91 including me, 90 total. Let's get into the agenda. This is my Excel that I haven't been updating, but I should. Formulas don't work. But, I should do an income update as well. Maybe I'll do one for March. Agenda for today: roll Apple covered calls because it's in the money and it expires in 5 hours. Air Canada covered call. I have 2,000 shares. I might do this for another month. I'll show you my Netflix spreads. I might be losing money. Coinbase, I'm losing money on spreads, and I might show you my SPY strangles. I might save that for another video. I'm trying to do like an update. I read 2 options trading books and I was hoping to use the strategies to show you how to make money, but I don't think the books are good. So I might do a book review and just tell you why they're not good. I don't know. I spent weeks trying to read these books and I just don't think they're that good. Going right into the market, SVB failed. Everything is failing, but then the government is backing they turned on the unlimited money printer and everything seems to be going up, I guess. Today is like a very roller coaster day. I'm not really sure what to do, but I'm going to show you some trades. If we start off with Apple, I have 100 Apple shares. I've had Apple shares for 10 years, I believe, and I've been selling monthly covered calls. This expires today. It is in the money. So I sold a 155 strike call, and you can see it can get called away at any minute. So right now, Apple is trading at 155.20. So I'm 20 cents in the money. It could get called away at any second. So I'm going to be adjusting. I'm going to be rolling it forward now. There might be an awkward edit there, just trying to filter out some noise. So I'm going to be rolling this. It is in the money. I try to aim for like 100, 150 a month and like 30 delta. So if you're wondering how to do that, we'll just check out, where is it? Apple. Let's go a month away. The delta side, let's look for 25, 30 delta. So I'll probably be going 165. And then, it should be making $100. So I'll sell what did we say? 21st. And I'll be selling, this is Air Canada. Let me pull up Apple. There we go. Apple. So I'll be buying back the exact one you sold. So this removes your obligation, and I'll show you how to verify. I'll be selling a month out. We'll be going from 155. Do we go to 160? Do we get greedy and try to make some money? Nah, let's just stick. I don't want to lose my Apple shares. So I'll be making $100, not the best, but $100 a month on my cost basis, which is 7,500. So 100 divided by 7,000, I believe. So I'm making 1.4% per month, which is not bad. Sell this. So you'll see it says buy to close. So I'm closing my obligation and sell to open another one. Should be good for 97 US. Not going to make me a millionaire or anything, but what can we do? So this should get filled right away. What is next on the agenda? Air Canada. Yeah, so Air Canada, let me pull it up now. So Air Canada, I have 1,000 shares in my margin and 1,000 in my TFSA. Right now it's saying you have to buy back for 5 cents, but they're going to expire worthless. So I'm not going to pay this 5 cents. I'm just going to sell naked calls, which does use up some buying power, but I know it's not going to go up 15% within the next 5 hours, even though it might. Chances are it won't. So I'll be selling for, 25 cents. And let's say my cost basis is 2,200. That's my, cost base 2,200. So if I make 24 cents a contract times 100 per contract times 10 contracts divided by 22,000 in capital tied up, 1% per month, not that good. Not going to make you a millionaire, but better than nothing. I'm hoping to ride this stock upwards. Hopefully they recover. I've been hoping they recover for like 2 years now, and it hasn't happened, but that's the game we play. But I am making $250 off this. So you see sell to open. I have $240. Now let's go into Netflix. Netflix, I've been selling weekly spreads on them for a while. These ones hopefully will expire worthless. I'll close them out right now just to eliminate any pin risk because I think it's like too close to the money. So Netflix, for some reason, shot up 8% in the last few days, and now it's coming back down. So confusing. So I'm like $10 away, which could go up overnight. I don't really know why. I don't want to risk it, so I could close this out. I made around $1,000. I'm trying to make $1,000 a week on this. So this one, right after I sold, which was yesterday or the day before, it ended up increasing. So I'm down right now. I still have 7 days left. Hopefully I can close this one early. I moved it further out in strike. So this one that expires today is 312. For Netflix, I went 320. And even if you want to open a new one up right now, you could even go, let me try to think of one. So next week, you can go further out in the money. Let's just play around. If you're interested in like playing around on your own, you can go option strat. Where is it? You can build a call spread here if you're interested. You could put in the strike, put in the ticker. You can go on Netflix if you kind of want to do this on your own. Hopefully I can get this edited and released in time. So let's take a look. If you want, for next week, you can go 325, 340. So that's $1,500 in collateral. So 340 minus 325 times 100, $1,500. And you could be making 124 minus 33. So you could be making $100. What is this? 6% for a week. You could go further out in the money as well if you're interested. So that's one example. So you're making $100 with the $1,500 potential max loss, but then you can always try to manage it or just wait it out. So that's something I'm doing here. I'll close these out, made $1,000 here. Hopefully I can make the full. How much did I make on this one? So this is 151 minus 27 times 15. So 1,800. Hopefully I can make at least 1,000 on this one. I ended up increasing the contracts. I took a risk, and obviously I could have made another $700 if I waited just one more day. Let me show you maybe me losing money. If I show you Coinbase. Coinbase increased. I thought it increased too much. I was trying to short it. I was trying to call a top. So I sold 12 contracts. And what's funny is that I'm losing on either one. So my protection, my call side, has decreased in value more than my short side has increased. Usually, if you look at Netflix, you see how one is losing money, one is making. Usually that's the case. The problem with spreads or rolling spreads, I'm losing on both sides. So if I did try to roll, it would be pretty painful. But I think Coinbase is trading at, where is it? 73. It's gone up 8% today, which is obviously stressful. I sold for next Friday, $82.95. Try to make $1,000, which is why I chose 12. But it's obviously not going too well. But we'll see. We'll see what we could do. Hopefully, I can make some money on this. If not, I'll just close it at a loss. I'm not too fussed about it. Is there anything else I want to show you? So I rolled this, rolled that. Oh, maybe I can show you. No, there's nothing else. Netflix, Coinbase, show SPY. What am I doing on SPY? Maybe I could save the SPY ones for next week's video. Just an example of what I'm doing on SPY Strangles. So I have my Interactive Brokers open. I have to switch. I know I've been saying this for a while. I have to switch everything over to Interactive Brokers. I'm going to stop using this client portal. I'm going to use the Trader Workstation. It is a little more complicated. It's confusing. It's not as good for beginners, which is why I like to use Questrade because it's more beginner friendly. But I will leave a link I am an affiliate now with Interactive Brokers, which is why I'm kind of moving over. Questrade stopped my affiliate links, so I'm not really making any passive income off that. I'm hoping to make just a little bit more on the Interactive Brokers. I don't get a commission if you sign up. I get a commission if you click the link. So if you don't mind clicking the link, it would help out if you stayed until the end of this video. Is anyone else looking, like, people have been asking me for trade ideas and I'm not too sure. Like right now my trade idea is to short AMD and Nvidia, but they keep going up. Like, look at this. Let me go Nvidia stock. Year to date, up 80%. How crazy is that? They're up 4% only from a year ago, up 342%. I know they lost money. They're like 330 at the peak, which is fine, but 80%, like I never would have predicted this. Even AMD, like I want to short AMD, but it's not working. If you're interested in shorting, you could go SOXS. So this is the inverse to the semiconductor industry. It's 30 companies and this is the inverse. So this goes up if the semiconductors go down. And as you can see, this has been going down because the semiconductors have been going up. If you want the inverse of that, if you want the bull run, SOXL, so this will increase along with the semiconductors, 3 times leverage. It is a little more risky, but it's an option if you're interested. Again, if you want to play around with options, you could go to bar chart just to see the options chain. You can sign up for a paper trading account with Interactive Brokers. You can go to optionstrat.com to play around with spreads just to see if you're a more visual learner. Or you could sign up to the Discord server via Patreon and then ask 90 other people some questions. That's it for now. I have to go back to work because I have a meeting at 1. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.